Do you kind of want to shed a light on some of the latest and greatest updates, some positive kind of tailwinds we're having here, and just some of the great change that's gone on that you've kind of spearheaded?
Yeah, sure. There's a bunch to mention, but I guess I'll focus on reporting and communication because that's top of mind for me right now. So, so one of my big goals for the year has been to get our communication with investors and our reporting to be twice as good and take a quarter of the time because it takes so long for us to produce these reports. And, these processes were built for when we had a 4 property portfolio. And now the problem is we have a 20 property portfolio. So the processes break and you have to rebuild. So for every level of growth, every stage that you get to, you have to kind of break it and rebuild it. And so that's kind of what we've gone through a bit in various parts of the business. And when it comes to communication, we've done just that, where we've simplified and streamlined our monthly reports so that way they take less time, while in my opinion still providing a lot of valuable information and recognizing the fact that, hey, every single month there aren't necessarily a ton of changes. And then we can kind of put more focus and more effort into leveling up and creating better quarterly reports so that way on a quarterly basis we are providing everything that our investors need and come to expect from our robust and transparent reporting. So that's a work in progress. We've been rolling out the new monthly reports, working out those kinks. I'm super excited about in a month or so from now, we'll be rolling out the first iteration of our new revamped quarterly reports. So that's a big project for me. And then coupled with that are not just communications that go out to investors, but also distributions that go out to investors. So we've done monthly distributions for a long time. It's a little bit more work to have to process and account for monthly distributions, whereas kind of the industry standard is quarterly distributions. But we feel like providing monthly distributions is just more of a consistent rhythm. Investors obviously love it. They love getting paid more often, faster, and so on.